A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, New York prosecutors are adamant that President-elect Donald Trump's recent election victory does not negate the guilty verdict handed down by a jury earlier this year. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office, led by Alvin Bragg, has filed a response to Trump's motion to dismiss the indictment related to his hush money case, asserting that the conviction should remain intact despite Trump's impending return to the White House. The case, which culminated in a 34-count guilty verdict, is at the center of a heated legal debate as Trump's defense team seeks to overturn the jury's decision. Prosecutors argue that Trump's claim of president-elect immunity is unfounded and that the jury's verdict should be respected. They emphasize that the jurors, who heard extensive evidence over a 7-week trial, are the only ones qualified to determine Trump's guilt or innocence, not the general electorate. Trump's attorneys have raised concerns about the implications of his conviction on his presidency, suggesting that it would be unconstitutional for an incoming president to face the burden of a guilty verdict established before his election. However, prosecutors firmly countered this notion, stating that the integrity of the judicial process must prevail over political considerations. Trump's sentencing has faced multiple delays, initially set for July but postponed to allow for further legal maneuvering following a Supreme Court ruling that addressed the prosecution of former presidents. As the legal drama unfolds, Trump continues to assert that his prosecution is politically motivated, drawing parallels to recent developments involving President Biden's son, Hunter. While Trump's legal team attempts to leverage these narratives, prosecutors are focused on maintaining the momentum of the case, arguing that Trump's conduct throughout the proceedings, including alleged harassment and intimidation, should not be overlooked. They contend that the court has a responsibility to uphold the jury's verdict and ensure accountability, regardless of Trump's political status. The implications of this case extend beyond the courtroom, as Trump's presidency looms on the horizon. With his cabinet appointments already underway and a gala fundraiser planned at Mar-a-Lago, the political landscape is shifting rapidly. Observers are keenly watching how this legal battle will unfold in conjunction with Trump's return to the presidency, and whether the judicial system can effectively navigate the intersection of law and politics. As the nation braces for another term under Trump's leadership, the outcome of this case could set a precedent for how future legal challenges are handled for sitting or incoming presidents. The stakes are high, not just for Trump, but for the integrity of the American legal system itself. In the coming weeks, the court will have to decide how to proceed with the case, balancing the demands of justice with the realities of a presidency that may complicate legal proceedings. Meanwhile, Trump supporters and critics alike are preparing for a political landscape that is as contentious as ever, with the potential for further legal entanglements looming on the horizon. As the legal and political drama continues to unfold, the American public remains divided, with opinions on Trump's presidency and his legal challenges shaping the discourse leading into the next election cycle. This case not only tests the resilience of the judicial system, but also serves as a litmus test for the future of political accountability in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.